The right wax. When doing a Brazilian wax at home, it's essential to use hard wax for sensitive areas as it adheres better to the hair, not the skin, reducing discomfort. Pre-wax preparation is key. Exfoliate the area a day before your wax to remove dead skin cells, helping the wax stick better and reducing the risk of ingrown hairs. Trim hair to the right length. Hair should be about 1/4 to 1/2 inch long for optimal results. If it's too short, the wax won't grab. And if it's too long, it can cause more pain. Patch test. Before you wax, do a patch test on a small area of your skin to check for allergic reactions or irritation. Cleanse and dry the area. Ensure your skin is clean, dry, and free from any oils or lotions. This helps the wax adhere better to the hair and not to the skin. Proper waxing technique. Apply the wax in the same direction as hair growth and remove it in the opposite direction to ensure a clean removal. Keep waxing in small sections. Don't overwhelm yourself by trying to wax large sections of hair at once. Start with small areas to ensure you can manage pain and accuracy. Apply wax in a thin layer. Applying wax too thick can make it harder to remove and more painful. Thin layers work best for clean and effective waxing. The right waxing strips. Choose fabric strips that are soft, sturdy, and flexible for waxing. If using hard wax, you may not need strips, but they are required for soft wax. Tug the skin tight before pulling. To reduce discomfort, use one hand to hold the skin taut and the other to remove the wax. This minimizes the pain and risk of skin irritation. Go fast, not slow when removing the strip or pulling the wax off. Do it quickly. Slow removal can cause more pain and leave hair behind. Cold compress after waxing. Apply a cold compress to the waxed area to reduce redness and soothe the skin post-waxing. Avoid sun exposure post-wax. After waxing, your skin is sensitive. Avoid direct sun exposure for 24–48 hours to prevent burns and irritation. Don't wax over the same area. Avoid waxing over the same skin area more than once to reduce the risk of irritation and skin damage. Post-wax care. Moisturize your skin post-wax with a gentle lotion to prevent dryness and irritation. Avoid products with strong fragrances or alcohol. Pain management during waxing. If you're worried about the pain, consider taking an ibuprofen or using a numbing cream before your waxing session. Don't wax on menstrual cycle. Waxing during menstruation can increase pain and irritation, so it's better to schedule waxing at least a week before. Avoid hot showers after waxing. Hot showers can irritate the skin after waxing. It's best to avoid hot water for at least 24 hours to prevent discomfort. Regular waxing can reduce pain. The more often you wax, the less painful it becomes over time. Regular waxing reduces hair thickness and makes future sessions easier. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more.